Hi, we're back cooking with Cheron. And you're probably wondering, Cheron, what are we cooking today? Well, we're not really cooking quite yet. I just want to show you a little bit and chat with you for a moment. So you're probably wondering, okay, what was she going to cook? Well, that's a great question. Let's start from the beginning. So when I first started this journey of cooking with Cheron, it was a great idea. My marketing coach said, you know what, you'd probably do well with a cooking show. And I'm like, you're probably right. I had my own vision. I'd watch cooking shows all along, and I probably didn't implement everything that I saw on a cooking show, but because I had my own vision, I had my own vision. So if you scroll back, if you rewind the tape to one of my first episodes, I'm so embarrassed because I start looking back at some of those first videos and I'm like, is that really published? Well, these things right here, this. So what I would do when I first set up is I actually put all of my ingredients, here we're in a commercial kitchen. So I'm like, I need my ingredients. I need everything out on the table. So this is what I would do. I would put everything out on the table and roll from there. And then I would grab, these are like, what are these, 5 pounds, I think? 5-pound containers of seasonings that I would have. And I would just roll from there. So I rolled back the tape and I was looking at some of the videos and I'm like, man, I made some great food, but aesthetically, this looked like garbage. And I'm talking about it now because I look back and I'm like, man, had I just listened 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 times, I don't know, y'all don't need to watch the videos to figure it out, but I didn't listen. I didn't listen to some coaching that was provided, and then I came across this. Not only that, when you're first starting out, you think you're doing your thing, and I thought I looked good. I mean, I had on a chef jacket. Now, it wasn't this chef jacket, but it was one that, y'all, it was super big. And no one told me that part. No one told me that, your chef jacket's too big. I think he was probably thinking, you know what? I'll work with her. She has potential, but we have to take baby steps. And that's all good. So he never said that my chef jacket was too big, but I look back at videos and I'm like, you know what? It's the complete package. It's a brand. It's your look. So let's take away all this stuff and then you'll see what you all have seen me transition to is just a clean, simple look. And this is not only in cooking, but just in life and just everything that you do. If y'all could see my desk. Oh, my virtual assistant, well, when she's not virtual, she sees everything. But it's organized chaos. So there should be simplicity just in everything that you do, in cooking, and at your home, in your office. It'll make life so easy, stress-free, hopefully. So when you all see me cook and show you different techniques and tips, it's because everything has been pre-done, pre-cooked, and I have to thank my team, for helping me a lot of times measure out and prep everything so I can actually present a good show. So I'm saying all this to say, like I said in the beginning, is to just listen. Listen, implement. You may have your own vision, your own style, and you can incorporate that to a certain degree, but in the long run, it's going to help you out. I don't ever want to show those videos, my first videos that I had in the beginning, because of how I looked and how the presentation was. So we talk about coaching and a lot of the things in our business chat, which you'll be seeing more episodes of that soon. These are all coaching tips from people that have gone through and experienced. Entrepreneurs have done this before. So don't reinvent the wheel. Sometimes you have to take what maybe someone else has used in the past and implement it and create and make it your own. So there are ways to do that, and I'll be sharing along the way. So again, this is not your traditional Cooking with Cheron episode, but I hope this tip helped you, and it definitely has helped me come a long way from my beginning to the end. And the end's not over yet, but you can see progression. So thanks for joining us, Cooking with Cheron. We'll see you next time.